Meet the Rolalo Terminator Buggy. Lightning fast, wallet friendly, and ready to rock.
Hey guys, and welcome to the radio controlled YouTube channel. Today we're looking at this, the Rolalo Terminator, which comes in two versions, the alloy version and the carbon fiber version. The carbon fiber one comes with a slightly different controller and more powerful electronics, but other than that, they're very similar. Amazing quality buggy from Rlaarlo. They are famous for their quality, and at the prices they come at, again, really good value for money. The cheaper one, the metal one, is $189.99, and the carbon one comes in at $239.99. Both, again, really good value, great quality, and really good handling. They come ready to run, so they have a 3S battery, which is unheard of for something this size. One of the only buggies in the market that comes with a 3S battery. It comes with a remote and all the radio gear, so all you really need is the 4 AA batteries for the remote. And as it is, this is the alloy one we're showing here. It is super powerful. So we turned it down halfway on the controller for the kids, and it handles pretty well with that amount of power. But if you want to do speed runs, obviously you can crank it up to 100% on the remote and run it on the road, and it's going to do really good speeds. I don't have the exact speeds. We don't have a speedometer, sat nav speedometer to measure. But to be honest, I prefer to look at the handling of anything over the speed. And as I say, we found it better to turn it down. One thing that you do have to modify is the ride height, otherwise it does flip over a lot. So what we've done is halved the ride height. There are travel limiters on the bottom parts of the suspension, as you can see here. I'm winding it in so that it's about parallel with the ground. The arms are around parallel with the ground. Also raising up the top cap on these springs, so that everything is just as plush. The power button is super easy to access, which is in some other models not that great. You have sometimes to take the shell off to turn it on, which can get super annoying. So Rlaarlo have really thought about the layout of everything inside the buggy. As you saw briefly there, the underside has this really cool engraving on of some kind of Predator alien. I guess that's the Terminator. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Really cool, good detail, and really high quality goods. This one we've had for around 4 weeks running, and no problems at all. It's just something we've used almost every day. If you like the look of the Rolalo Terminator, come check it out at radio-controlled.co.uk and radio-controlled.com.